Hey pioneers, are you sure you're getting Pi network updates from the real sources? Today I'm going to show you how to avoid scams, protect your Pi wallet, and make sure you're only using official Pi apps and channels. Let's get started. I will walk you through the Pi Safety Center, a crucial page created by the Pi core team where they list all the official communication channels as well as the official URLs for Pi apps and products. So if you are serious about protecting your Pi, you need to know this. First, always get your updates from these official Pi sources only. So here, website mindpi.com, and they have the support portal, which is still mindpi.com, and then the path is support, community wiki, and then these are the socials: Twitter, Telegram, then Facebook. So you can click, and this will redirect to the official Pi core team channel. They also have, or they are available in Instagram and Threads, and of course YouTube. They also have their Medium account, and for emails, so make sure that you receive emails only from these emails at pi.email, at mindpi.com, and then at picoreteam.org. For the founders, these are the official accounts or handles. So for Twitter at InCookAlist, for Qingdao's Twitter at Qingdao, and then Nicholas is also on Instagram, which is at nicholas.cookalist. So for the official URL links to the Pi apps and products, these are the lists. So for the Pi mining app, here just click this one. This will redirect us to the Apple App Store. Download for the Pi mining app. Same with this one, but for Android or Google Play Store. And for the Pi browser, they have iOS and Google. And this is the most important one. Make sure that when you enter your Pi wallet passphrase, the link is wallet.pinet.com. And then KYC, this is the official link. As you can see, pinet.com. So all of this, it ends are they're using the domain pinet.com. So for exploring the transactions or the Pi transactions, this is the official Black Explorer, so you can search their transactions of the Pi network. And also here, so some shady exchanges are trying to list the fake Pi tokens, and Pi core team did not authorize this. So if it's not announced by Pi core team, then don't trust it. So basically that's it. Hit like if this helped you stay safe, and share it to protect other pioneers. Subscribe for more real Pi updates from real sources. Pi is too valuable to risk.